This is the AKIYO 01 Pro Mini Wi-Fi projector. It's apparently a cost-effective home theatre that reportedly has a 55,000 hours lamp life. Oh yeah. It has a Bluetooth 5.0 connection, so it should be good for those wireless speakers, which AKIYO state that this projector can throw up a huge 120-inch punchy display. Well, we will certainly see. So right out of the box and coming fully protected in this foam protective packaging, first of all we get provided with what looks like a detailed user manual. It does have a quick start guide and instructions on how to set up, etc. Before we have a look at the accessories, let's have a look at the AKIYO projector itself. And as we do, I'll just tell you guys that this AKIYO projector does retail around £60. That's around 75 in US dollars, which is certainly quite cheap. Definitely one of the cheapest projectors that we've reviewed on this channel. It does feel a bit weighty in hand, and it has fairly serious detail. Nope, no toyish-like design, no over-exaggerated colours or anything like that. Just a matte white shell with modern-looking horizontal lines with a dark grey eyelet covering the capped projector lens. I guess to the left hand side this is the speaker, and we have both manual keystone correction and focus correction too. Swishing to the right, there's that fan exhaust vent. There's nothing else really, with most of the ports situated to the rear. So we have such things like an IR receiver, which we are provided with a standardised slim remote control that we've basically seen with most common projectors and a lot of Android TV boxes. We do have a power adapter too, and a HDMI cable. It's not very lengthy though, to be honest. But as well as this projector having Bluetooth capabilities, we also have a dedicated 3.5mm auxiliary headphone socket, as well as an AV port and just one single USB socket, which might be a problem if say you want to hook up a memory stick and at the same time want to connect a wireless mouse or something like that. It's not a real big issue really, and it is to be expected at this price range. The whole unit is very compact. It simply sits nice in the palm of my hand. Look at that. It's a shame that there's no carry case included, so I guess if you're on the go, you've either got to chuck this in a suitcase on its own or simply pack everything into the box that it came in. Flipping the projector over, again this is the 01 model. It has 4 perfectly situated, tall grippy rubber feet, so it can indeed get lots of ventilation underneath. It has the tiniest of tilt screw mounts, so you can place this on a flat surface pointing up, and it also has a tripod mount included, which we can attach a foldable tripod should we wish. And let's go ahead and power it on. Alright, we are took forward to a pretty standard main menu, where we will have access to the HDMI and USB settings, so we will be able to access them stored movies. What's that about? What's up, Sam? Music, photo or text files. There is also a simple settings menu where you can set up your 2.4 Wi-Fi connection. There's also that Bluetooth mode too, where you can blast out the audio using your external speakers or headsets, with all the picture settings to be had, so to adjust the colour, contrast and brightness to enable the best possible picture quality. As well as this, you do get audio adjustments too. Unfortunately, no, Dolby is not supported, and we do get a projection mode adjustment too, where you can flip the image upside down to enable the compatibility of a ceiling mount. Yep, very simple and easy to use menus. We did find though, for the best preferred visualization, to enable to throw up a say 100-inch screen, you place this AKIYO projector around about 12 feet away from the wall. Okay, to be honest, daytime viewing is not really preferred at this distance. If you do require daytime viewing, you can move the projector closer to a surface, and you should expect a 30-inch display that would be very much visible. With regards to nighttime viewing though, well, that image quality really wasn't too bad. Okay, with this AKIYO projector, for its price, you're not going to experience any type of super detail or anything like that, no. But the thing I will say is that the colours are nice and bright. They are bold enough to ensure that you're not squinting when watching some fast intense action sequences. You do feel a somewhat cinematic experience at times, but the only thing that really does take your concentration away is that how loud that fan is, which is very much noticeable even when this projector is stood still on the main menu. The speaker on the opposite side is definitely not the loudest. I would say it does subdue some of the fan noise, but that speaker does sound at times quite tinny, which will require you to hook up a Bluetooth speaker or in fact a Bluetooth headset to enable you to fully immerse yourself. The image quality, after fine adjustment though, the best you can get is a 1280 by 720p display with a 2000:1 contrast ratio. The good thing is though with this image is that there doesn't seem to be much, if all, any type of shadowing around the corners. This projector, by the way, can support 1080p HD footage, and while running for a while, the projector doesn't seem to get that hot. And I've got to say, it's not that bad when you connect this AKIYO projector to a games console. I personally do think that this particular projector today, not only is it affordable, but I think it's good enough for a child's bedroom, and it's especially good for those odd-sized rooms that you may have, where you've not got space for a traditional TV set. For documents, spreadsheets, quite simply for office work, this projector will be fine for presentations, and this is where the screen mirroring will definitely come in good use. It's not that bad really. It doesn't really have noticeable lag, from what we have seen, with only minute latency issues. For this price though, I definitely think that this projector is worth it. I don't think there's much on the market that are comparable within this price range, and when we come to rate it, well, for build quality, we are going to rate it a 9 out of 10. For the image quality, we're going to give it a 7. For audio, a 6, with our overall rating for this AKIYO Pro projector sitting at a comfortable 7 out of 10 for a very affordable option. And now I have left a link in the video description down below like I do with most of my videos. You're free to check that link out should you wish, where you can see all of the details for this product for yourself. But if you have liked what you've seen within this video, well why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video. Sharing is caring. Bearing in mind though, please subscribe right now to support us, will you? Bearing in mind, hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on our very next uploads. Now speaking of uploads, if you want to check out one of our previous videos showing on screen just now, or if that doesn't interest you, wait for the next one here. Hang on. Yeah, there it is. Go on, click it. But yeah, it's been great seeing you. Hope you all stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!
Malfunction. Need input.